run you through a few of the features on our guy rope. So first things first, you've got your quick clip, which means you don't have to tie any knots at all. You can just hook that straight onto your awning and then deploy your rope. Secondly, we've got our mesh pocket, which is completely breathable. If your ropes are wet, you can store them away. You don't have to worry, they won't get moldy. They'll just dry out inside the little pouch. We've got our heavy duty D-ring, which will fit all your pegs on the market. And then our non-slip tensioner, which is all cast aluminium. Now, what you want to do when you're ready to use your rope is you pull it out of the bag like so. And we're going to use our fake awning here for today. Hook it onto the wall and pull the locking pin and bring it back to wherever your peg is. Here we're using a jerry can with one of our HD springs on it. We'll just hook that up like that. Now, once you've got to this stage, all you have to do is grab this end of the rope and pull it through like that. And the locking mechanism will grab onto the rope and lock it in place automatically. All you have to do now is grab your excess, chuck it around your hand, get it out of the way, and pop that into the little bag. So now we've got that all set up. You can see it's a nice, neat little system. It's really quick and easy to set up and pack down, and I'll run you through the pack down process now. Unzip your bag, release your pin, and unclip from the wall. Now, once you've got it all disconnected, the way I like to do it, and I think is the best way to do it, is you grab that end, pull it through and bring your clip back to the top of the rope. Get the tail end here, and if you wrap it up from this end, it's always going to come out of the bag nice and easy. Once you do that, throw that part back into the bag, and as you can see, we've got 4 meters of rope fitting in there nicely, and then it's packed away ready for next time.